to my channel. My name is Safari, and if you are new here, it's nice to meet you. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a late what I got for Christmas, plus a try on haul of all the stuff I got. Everything that I have right now isn't for Christmas, just so we're clear here. I've been getting stuff from Christmas, and since I've done this haul so late, I just wanted to show you everything I've been getting for the past couple of months, weeks. Girl, I don't know. There is gonna be a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be showing y'all, so sit tight, I guess. I am really just discombobulated. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I actually got around Christmas and for myself for Christmas, because it's a family tradition that on December the 24th we go shopping before Christmas. Before we ever went actually shopping, my mom got me this yellow sweater. I don't know where it's from actually. She just got me this yellow sweater. I have tried this on, and it's kind of like, when I put it on, it's kind of like stretchy, so it's kind of like see-through, sort of. I actually went shopping at the small Rue 21, I believe. Yep, Rue 21. I got this, well, my mom got this vest for me. I already have another one that's kind of like this, not kind of like this in the style, but it's like a plaid shirt. So I got this pastel green one with these daisies, I believe, on it. It's really cute. I haven't worn it yet. And then for Christmas, my sister Summer, she got me this vest thing. I don't know what this says. No fear. It says no fear repeatedly over and over again. I might wear this to Billy's concert. I don't know. We're still debating on that. When we went shopping for myself, I think this was H&M. I got this sweater. It's like, wait, is it upside down? Girl, it's upside down. No, this is from Rue 21, not H&M. Sorry. So at Rue 21, I got this sweater. It reminded me of Taylor Swift's like cardigan that she was selling at one time, or she's still selling. So I got it because of that. I mean, this Rue 21 stuff is stuff that my mom got me, except for this. This was from H&M, and my sister got me that. But this is also a Rue 21 sweater. It's just blue with blue flames at the bottom. I like it. Also at Rue 21, I got these men boxers. It's Tom and Jerry on it. I've already worn these and they haven't been washed yet, so those won't be in the try-on portion, so don't look for them. So now for the H&M stuff that I bought myself. So first things up is this tank top that I'm wearing. It's like a crop tank top, and it has other dimension with an alien on it. I thought it would be a cute shirt to like wear out, but I'm just gonna have it as a night shirt for me to sleep in, because I don't like how it actually fits on me at all. The next thing is this AC/DC shirt. Y'all seen this shirt already in my one of my previous videos with me getting ready to go to my sister's senior night for cheer. I wore this there. And then I got this other AC/DC shirt. It's just a black one. I have a lot of AC/DC shirts, and it says like Let There Be Rock 1977. And then I got this jacket that I also wore in that video, but I didn't like acknowledge it or that much or anything. It's just this brown jacket. It has like this little bedazzled part over here on the side. It has like Heaven Sent with angel wings behind it, with like the little bedazzles around it, and on the back it has like angel wings as well. I think it's really cute. I like it because it reminds me of like Y2K fashion, so I got it for that. Also got Bath and Body Works. I got other stuff from here, but those were Christmas gifts. And then I got that lotion that I also showed you in my last video, the Sweat the Weather lotion. I got myself like, I think 4 candles. So this one is Cookies with Santa, and it smells so good. I've never had any of these candles actually, so I'm just trying them out. And then I have 'Tis the Season with little cute reindeers on it, and it smells good too. I mean, all of them smell good. This one has like a cinnamon a cinnamon type of, I was about to say flavor, but smell. And this is black cherry marlet. This one smells fruity. I'm trying to like get into like fruity types of candles. And this one is caramel pumpkin swirl. And this also smells so good. I can't wait to do like my Christmas themed ones, and then like this whenever fall comes. So the next thing I got was, this wasn't for like Christmas or anything. This is a bathing suit. It has dragons on it. I don't like the bottoms of it because one, they're hard to like tie on the sides, and two, it's hard to like keep it up. I've never had like strappy bottoms before, so I'm have to get used to that. But I like the top. The top is cute. My older sister got that one for me. The rest of the clothes that I'm about to show you, I believe my mom got all of these for me. Got these cargo army, I think they're joggers or something like that. I like them though. This next store, my mom always buys like my jeans from this. I think it's Aloe Apparel. I got this stuff yesterday, and I got these, I don't know what this is, sweatpants, I'm guessing. She got me a bunch of sets. Here's one set. It's just this crop sweater. It's gray and it has little lines on the sides, on the things, and on the arms. This reminds me of like a school uniform for some reason. And then here's the matching pants that go with them, and it has like the little sweater detail things on the side of it. And this, she got me the same ones in like blue. That's why they're not opened. This next set is, it was supposed to be a turtleneck, but my neck always feels like it's being restricted whenever I wear shirts that are supposed to be around my neck, so I don't wear those. And I don't like wearing those. So she cut the neck part off, and now it's just like a crew neck, and it's cute. And then here's the pants that go with them. There's nothing much to say about this. It's just a brown set. And then we got this white sweater. It crosses at the front. It's like a blanket. It has like blanket material to me. This thing is all over the place, but I got this for Christmas. This is a camera holding bag, and it has like my camera in here. I got a new camera. It's the Canon Rebel T100. I have like the battery is already in here. It's been charged and stuff. Here's the lens. I like this. It's really cute. I can't wait to use it, but the only reason why I'm not using it now is because I have to like manually do the focus and have it be ready. But here's the bag, the camera bag that I got me. It has like little compartments, and you can like take these little shelves out and move them. That's why where my camera is has such huge space. Also has like a little slot right here, and then little zipper in the front, and it has like pockets on the sides. I can't wait to use my camera. These are both just like jackets. She does this a lot. She has a lot of clothes that she'll buy, and then she'll get them and she'll wear them, and I guess they don't fit how she wants them to fit, or she just doesn't like them when she puts them on, so she'll give them to me. That's why I have 2 random pullovers. The next, I'm gonna be showing you just my blankets. I have like 3 blankets. My aunt, I think she's my aunt, I'm pretty sure she's my aunt. My aunt, she got this for me for Christmas. I don't remember where this came from. Oh, my mom. I don't know why she gave this to me, but she gave it to me. I just got this one today because it's Valentine's Day. But when y'all see this, it's not gonna be Valentine's Day anymore. I am so glad I'm getting so many blankets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blankets in total now. And now finally we're going on to my shoes. Y'all already saw these. These are my my Puma white shoes that I wore in my previous video when I was getting ready. These were those shoes. And then I have my Air Forces that I got. These are kind of big on me, so they look huge on my feet, and they make my feet look really long. But at the same time, I really don't care. This first pair, I have not worn these yet. That's why these are all still in the boxes. Plus, I'm still going through I'm still going through my other shoes that I have to see if I want to throw any of those out. I already have like 3 pairs that I'm going to probably be selling on Depop. These are high top black and white Pumas. I've never seen these before, but these are nice and I can't wait to wear these.
Can I not be in your video?
I don't want you to be in my video. I knew you was out there because I heard the door move with your little ugly self.
No, it's not black.
I already said that.
They're so cute. That's the only thing she wear is Puma, y'all.
I said that too.
Oh, my bad.
These are, what is this? Navy blue. What is this?
That's brown.
Yeah, navy blue and brown. These are also big on my feet. They make my feet look long, but I'm gonna just wear thick socks and we're gonna call it a day. I like these, so I'm not gonna risk taking them back. Yes, they do. But they make my feet look longer.
But your feet are long.
Some of them are long. You're not gonna contribute nothing good to the video. Leave. And then I got these ones.
I got a question for you.
These.
Is this your Christmas video?
Yeah.
You're a little late.
I know.
It's February.
Shush. They don't know that. I can put a whole different date on this video and they wouldn't know. These are gold, black, and white ones. They have like gold specks down here. I don't know how I'm gonna wear those, but I'm gonna wear them.
She don't go nowhere, so she's not.
It's like summer. And then get out of my room. Anyways, these were for Christmas. You done?
Yeah.
Like I was saying, these shoes right here weren't for Christmas. Well, I don't think they were for Christmas. They probably were. Anyways, these remind me of like teddy bear shoes. Or what's some things? Uggs.
Yeah, I got me some Uggs. I got them in slides and...
You don't care.
Okay.
There's like fur on the inside and it's just like this tan color. And I feel like this is like, has like a little platform to it. I'm not really sure, but I can't wait to wear these. These right here. Oh my goodness. That was it. Finally, we're done. This is probably going to be a long video. There is going to be a try on portion for my clothes that I have. Maybe not my shoes. Since today is Valentine's Day, I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. So this is Valentine's Day. You want to meet my new addition to the family? His name is Jonah and her name is Rosie. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and like and comment on this video. Push the bell notification so you can be notified for any time I post a new video. Oh yeah, thanks for 100. I didn't say that in my last video, but I said it everywhere else on social media, so I guess I forgot to actually thank the people that y'all got me 100 on. So thank you for 100 subscribers. Comment some suggestions or recommendations that you want me to do and I'll probably do them. I hope to upload more this year, so hopefully I get to do that. I am starting off on a good note with uploading all these videos. This is making me want to continue to make videos and upload videos. So start putting in your suggestions if you want to, for what you want me to do or what you want to see from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you the next time I post.